Hi everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate one of the basic skill in volleyball, which is passing using the forearm. Like this.
Passing in volleyball is the skill of receiving and controlling the ball to send it to a teammate, usually the setter, to continue the play. It is important because it helps the team set up an attack and keep the ball from hitting the ground. The most common type is the forearm pass or bump, which is used when receiving a serve or a spike.
Step 1. Stand with feet, shoulder width apart. Step 2. I-bend ang knees at saka stay low. Step 4. Form a flat surface with your forearms. Like ganito. Diba naka-bend? Step 3. Diba naka-bend na ang knees. So, i-join ang hands, straight ang arms. So, diba nakaganyan na siya? So, step 5, iwa-watch mo yung bola and move to get under it. So, step 6, so iko-contact mo na ang ball with your forearms. Dito yung forearms ha. Ganyan. So, may tip ako how to use passing. So, first, keep your arms steady like ganito, di ba? So, don't swing too much. Huwag mo swing na too much ganun. Dapat naka-steady lang siya.
And that's how you perform a proper forearm pass in volleyball. Remember to keep your arms straight, use your legs for power, and always focus in controlling the ball. So that's all, and thank you for watching.